Welcome to our channel. If you want to open a money market account that combines savings account benefits with checking features, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Research money market accounts from various financial institutions, comparing interest rates, minimum balance requirements, monthly fees, and transaction limits. Step 2. Visit your chosen bank's website or branch location. Many banks offer both online and in-person account opening options. Step 3. Select the money market account product that best fits your needs. Some accounts offer tiered interest rates based on balance levels. Step 4. Complete the application form with your personal information including name, social security number, date of birth, contact details, and employment information. Step 5. Provide identification documents such as a driver's license or passport, along with proof of address like a recent utility bill or bank statement. Step 6. Decide on account features such as check writing privileges, debit card access, and whether you want a linked savings account for easy transfers. Step 7. Fund your account with the required minimum opening deposit, which typically ranges from $1,000 to $10,000 depending on the institution and account tier. Step 8. Review and sign all account agreements, including terms regarding interest rates, fees, transaction limitations, and withdrawal policies before finalizing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.